Hey, what's up? We have the next video about Elephone A6 Mini, and today we want to talk about cameras of this phone. I want to recall that we already made videos with unboxing and performance of this mobile device. You can watch them by the links in the description. The video with battery test will be published tomorrow. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers not to miss it. Elephone A6 Mini is equipped with dual camera, 16 megapixels main sensor and 2 megapixel secondary sensor. Also, there is 16 megapixel front camera. However, if we look at Antutu or any other benchmark, we will see that there is no secondary sensor on the back, while the front camera has only 4 megapixels sensor. It means that the second sensor on the rear panel is not used at all. It is fake, while the front camera is interpolated from 4 megapixels to 16 megapixels. Now let's look at camera app of Elephone A6 Mini. In fact, it is rather scarce. There are only 4 modes on the main screen, such as photo, video, face beauty and blur. The photo settings menu has only few options: location, grid line, touch capture and selfie timer. The video settings menu doesn't have electronic image stabilization. It's time to look at real photos taken on Elephone A6 Mini. The shots in daytime are very impressive. They are bright and high detailed. You can make really good images in good lighting conditions. As for bokeh effect, it doesn't work. As I already said, the second sensor on the back looks like fake. There is no even a circle in the center and blurred area around it. The bokeh mode doesn't differ from the regular photo mode. I have tried to make a photo with blurred background, but I couldn't do it. I managed to take only one photo, this one. The selfie camera is pretty good. You can take selfies both in daytime and at night. The photos indoors are also good, but it depends on the lighting. I took some photos in the shop and cafe with artificial light, and they look pretty good. As for the night images, it also depends on the light. If there is enough light, for example on the cafe's veranda, then the photos are decent. If you take a picture on the go, then the photo will be blurred. It is better to stop and adjust the brightness while tap on the camera. If we talk about the video recording, the colors are very bright and details are good, but when you move the camera, it doesn't focus on objects. Once again, it is better to stop and shoot a video or move the camera very slowly. So it was camera test of Elephone A6 Mini. The main disadvantage of this camera is fake dual camera. The bokeh mode is simply not working. In the rest, the camera of this phone is very good for the price. It makes very nice images in daytime and even at night. The selfie camera is also okay. To be honest, I can demand more from the smartphone for $100. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. See you next time.